Mangalyaan, also known as Mars Orbiter Mission MOM, is India's first mission to Mars. Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle in November 2013 for an arrival at Mars in 2014. The 1,337 kg spacecraft carries a suite of 5 instruments to study Mars, its atmosphere, and acquire photos of the red planet. Most importantly, the mission serves as a demonstration mission with the main objective of placing Mangalyaan in orbit around Mars as a study for future spacecraft and mission design. MOM keeps sending us vital information about the health of its various modules and measurements from sensors. This is called telemetry signal. The telemetry has confirmed that MOM is in the pink of health, the Indian Space Research Organization posted on Twitter on Saturday. MOM uses 2.2 m high-gain antenna to send us signals from the present distance of 211 million km, it added. The ISRO said the spacecraft was less than 4 million kilometers away from Mars. India's Mars Orbiter mission. The Mangalyaan orbiter and its 5 instruments serve a number of scientific purposes to continue the exploration of Mars and its atmosphere. MOM will study surface mineralogy with its TIS instrument, continue the ongoing search for methane with its methane sensor, quantify the atmospheric loss on Mars, determine the neutral density of the Martian exosphere over an extended mass range and study the evolution of the atmosphere of the red planet. MOM objectives. The specific objectives of the Mars Orbiter mission are primarily associated with spacecraft construction and mission operations, as Mangalyaan serves as a pathfinder, being India's first mission beyond the Moon, which brings its own unique challenges such as the 20-minute average signal delay to Mars. The Indian Space Science Data Center has provided the following mission objectives. Develop the technologies required for design, planning, management, and operations of an interplanetary mission. Orbit maneuvers to transfer the spacecraft from an elliptical Earth orbit to a heliocentric trajectory and finally insert it into Mars orbit. Development of force models and algorithms for orbit and attitude computations and analyses. Navigation in all mission phases. Maintain the spacecraft in all phases of the mission, meeting power, communications, thermal and payload requirements. Incorporate autonomous features to handle contingency situations. The following scientific objectives have been set for the Mars Orbiter mission. Study climate, geology, origin, and evolution of Mars. To study sustainability of life on the planet. The MOM carries 5 scientific payloads to observe the Martian surface, atmosphere, and exosphere extending up to 80,000 kilometers for a detailed understanding of the evolution of the planet. These payloads consist of a camera, 2 spectrometers, a radiometer, and a photometer. Together, they have a weight of about 15 kilograms. Lyman Alpha Photometer. The Lyman Alpha Photometer is an absorption cell photometer. It measures the relative abundance of deuterium and hydrogen from Lyman alpha emission in the Martian upper atmosphere, typically exosphere and exobase. Measurement of D/H, deuterium to hydrogen abundance ratio, allows scientists to understand the possible process of loss of water from the planet. Mars Color Camera. This tricolor Mars color camera gives images and information about the surface features and composition of the Martian surface. They are useful to monitor the dynamic events and weather of Mars. The MCC will also be used for probing the 2 satellites of Mars, Phobos and Deimos. It also provides the context information for other science payloads. The other components are Mars Exospheric Neutral Composition Analyzer, methane sensor for Mars and thermal infrared imaging spectrometer. India's road to the elite club. Probes to Mars have a high failure rate. Of the 51 missions so far, only 21 have been successful. A similar mission by China, which beat India to the Moon, failed in 2011. Only the US, Europe, and Russia have sent probes that have orbited or landed on the planet. If the MOM succeeds at entering the orbit around Mars, India will be the 4th international entity credited with accomplishing that task.